Oh, what's up, guys? Back with another episode of Last Day on Earth. I really don't know what we're doing this episode, to be honest, but we're gonna go scavenging for a little bit, show you guys how this game actually works, cause yeah, free vacuum. Alright, so let's see how bad the horde did. Missed my base? Pretty sure it missed my base. It's alright though. Nothing bad there. It's food and water, like. Okay, we have. Oh, I gotta pee. Let's go outside the house. And pee! That out like a squirt gun. Alright, we got some more food. We gotta put some water bottles up. Let's just get her some water. There we go. Oh, let's go check on Jasmine. I hope. There's no way. No. Jasmine is now a puppy. Well, a dog. She's now a doggy. Oh, here, True friend can be taken with you. That's the perk I need so I could take her with me. It's a rank 5 thing, though. She's only a rank 1. Let's go find Puppy. Where is she? Another puppy! That probably just came out of nowhere, to be honest. Right, puppies are what we're gonna be gathering. Gross. Alright, let's send her to Dog Crate. Now we get out for some food. So let's go see what we got. Check that. I'm pretty sure I have some berry tea over here, right? Let's see if I got some other. So let's go see what's going on around the big world. Hopefully it's something fun. Got me some berry tea, even though I've never heard of this thing. Alright, so we're gonna take this, and that. Alright, we're gonna put that there, Let's go and explore it. Oh, we got some carrots to be picking up. Looks like we need to get more seeds. So it looks like we'll do a resource run, and then we'll do an actual scavenger run here on a house or something. Alright, let's go. Hopefully there's an event this episode, so you guys have something fun to watch instead of me just grinding away. Oh, it's just a race, which we're not gonna do because hey, the gas station restocked, so we might go do that. Dog breed, you have a chance to get a higher rank puppy when breeding is increased. Alright, let's go scavenge. Well, a gas station, we might go there because we could actually get a really decent amount. Which that's probably what we'll do unless we get a supply drop or another convoy or I don't know. Yeah. Alright, let's go look for the secret goodness. I'll let it auto so I can just sit here and let them just crap out. Go. Bam. Guys got some awesome iron strength to be beating the crap out of it. What was infected deer again? Alright, so this is all good stuff. Right, we're gonna knock this deer out cold. Whoop, bang! Alright, I don't know what the Christmas lights are used for, so I'm not even gonna attempt this. Got some meat for the pepper. For the pepper. Alright, so we got, oh, more, oh, I'm about to die. Alright, so I literally just I have to sneak, because I barely have enough, I don't have enough food on me. Okay. I need to get my food up. I don't really need a hard drive, so that could be scrapped. I need all the meat I can get. Actually, I might cut the video until this entire thing's loaded. So I'll let you know. Let's just let this do this for a bit, so we might run into some fun. By the way, the auto function's down below the joystick. All it does is it makes the character do anything around him, like picks up wood, seeds, anything like in its vicinity he would pick up. If you have a full inventory and you don't have a full, like say if your inventory is full and you only have room for seeds, he will go around and look for seeds to fill your inventory up there. Burglary, you picked what? 7. Leveled up. Alright, so we literally can't do anything. But I want this deer because we need every meat we can get. Fucking deer just ran in front of me. Let me hit you. Thank you. Alright, let's keep auto functioning. So, get as much strength. Oh, we have a zombie coming to us. I think he aggroed from up there. It's just when the whole map aggroes on you, it kind of pisses you off. What we got in our inbox? Bottled water. We'll do that when we. Ooh, an unknown box. Ooh. Here, let me watch this and then I'll show you what I got. Alright, guys. So I didn't get anything, but we're gonna. No, well, I didn't get anything yet. Let's spin the wheel. Ooh. Oh, some seeds. Oh yeah, that ain't that bad. I would say it's worth it, but not really. Alright, let's see what he's got so far. Almost just 2 stacks of wood. Alright, so let's just run around, because I think there's usually three chests here. So let's look around for some chests. I've already looted 2. There's another demon of Satan. Boy, the gore in this game. Alright, let's just let this character go AWOL in the environment around him. Lift it. Ooh. That's messed up. What do I need? Oh, I have to. This footage is kind of boring, guys. It's just, I can smell, a survivor is near. Ooh, are we gonna get a kill with him on him? Alright, so they will spawn on this side, but they will spawn on this side, so let's go see what's up. Come on. Show me your face. Here he comes. Yep. Damn. You better not fucking do it. What are you doing, goose? Silly goose. I actually need backpacks for the bike. I've got shoes. That guy's... People like that make stupid mistakes. Don't just run into an environment. I mean, I do it because I know my way around the game. But if you're gonna run into someplace, always look for broken trees or like dead zombies. If so, just leave. Because you don't know what they have, they don't know what you have. So either way, it's kind of a win-win situation. Let me get those seeds out of my plate. There's still a zombie here? It's a henchman. Alright, so this is alright. What do we got so far? Not even a stack? Alright, so let's just let this go, bro. This guy go ham. Is it another player? No, it's just a Rambo. We got aggro. Let's let this player go ham again. We got about a good amount of wood, which is really good, because you kind of need wood. This is great footage, guys. Quality. Hey, is that chest looted? I don't think I looted this. Nope, I did not. See, there's always that one hidden chest in this map somewhere. There's always one. Ooh, I will need it. I'll take it with the tape. Wiring you kinda do need. I didn't get as much as I needed to today, though. Alright, so there's literally nothing here that didn't need it. Let's go back home. No events. Yeah, I think we might go to the hotel. Events like these, like that, these are just main events. These stay on. The event events are things that, like, hang on, sorry if you can hear, I have trouble. Alright, so, like, these are, like, main events. Like, it's like a storyline. Like, I already tried to go there, can't. Whoa, we have access to the gas station now? I don't remember that. But we'll go back to the motel because it's usually got a lot of good stuff and we'll keep our running speed for it. Alright, we got a little doggo. I wonder what. Alright, let's go see Rosie, I think. Is that the dog's name? I mean, I feel like a bad dog protector thing. 7. Yeah, Rose. Rose is the dog's name. That's it. And this is the blue panel. I can put dogs in here. And make them have a funky business. Alright. So, let's go deposit all this juicy loot. Okay, over to the next one. berries, which I don't really like picking out. Alright, this boy's fat, so it's alright. We got some nuts. Another backpack. We need one more backpack. These parts I have to find on my own. Alright, let's go put these seeds up. Alright, so we're gonna take 10 wood and turn it into pipes for upgrading these walls to level 2 so zombies have a harder time getting through them. Honestly, the best thing to do is these stone walls are probably the best thing. Oh, I need more rubber parts, which we'll get. No, I just used bolts on this, didn't I? Man, I need to stop doing that. Bolts need to get towards it. Man, I wish I had a personal reminder that's like with me at all times, or just a notebook. Actually, no, I don't have a notebook near me right now. I have to like going to get one. But that would always be handy to have something nearby to tell me, hey, stop using screws for the chopper since I can't really do much with that right now. It takes a lot of parts. Alright, let's get rid of the axe and make a new one. I think we're just gonna go there with, I think we're gonna go there with a gun. Go there with the rest of the minigun and this pistol. Since this is about broken, I'm just gonna... Alright, let's go have fun at the hotel. We would go to the gas station because that's got 3 times in it, so it's mostly chopper parts, like for the motorcycle. Like, mostly just gasoline, but it's like really hard to get up there since it is a level 3 threat. This is only a level 2 threat, which is not bad for players like me that's just starting. But things like this, the ones that are in red, that's level 3, that's a little hard. It could just be volatiles and some other things, that's good. So, if you go there, if you see that it says updates in 18 hours, you get 2 days to go, like, so if you go to a bunker and you loot the entire thing, don't worry because it will respawn. It takes about 2 days in-game to respawn everything, and you can go back and do it again. It takes 2 days. Everything takes at least a day or 2. So you don't have to really worry about, things like that. Alright, let's go. Alright, so we got a zombie number 1. The hotel is good for people, like I said, first spawns. Nothing too harmless with the dumpster real quick. Dumpster diving. Alright, so if I had the recycler, I would take the trash, but I don't, so... Alright guys, so this is pretty cool. You get to pick this up. This is where character in... Alright, we're just trying to get loot right now. There is stuff in the back. Ooh, okay. Decent stuff. Oh, come on, how is this stuff better? I should have really brought medical supplies. Now I'm really scared about my health. Oh wait, why am I worrying? I've got baked beans. Oh, I'm surprised my character didn't have to pee after that. Alright, so we'll go out back real quick and check the Mustang and the fire. Alright, there's berries here. Berries really self too. Well, I about completely healed myself with berries. Come on, try to be aggro on me. These zombies have 360 turn, I swear. It's good to get sneak damage on them. They do so much more damage. Alright, let's hit the fireplace and then... Yeah, I wish there was a grabbable Mustang in this game. That'd be pretty dope. Food for the dog, because I really don't need food. There's usually a ton of good stuff in the back of the Mustang. Yeah. Ooh, a coupon. That's really good. Alright, I need to keep a hold of the signal amplifier, because if I don't, these things are extremely rare. Which we might make 2 trips, because we honestly do need all the supplies we can get. Alright, so this is where the cool stuff comes in here. So there's this gas barrel. You need a gun for this part to get into the rest of this. You want to pick it up. You'll be really slow, so make sure you clear all the zombies in this hotel before you go to do this. And there's a little wrench up in the map where you can place it. Switch it. There we go. Alright, let's hit him. We don't want to get any extra hits on this. Alright, let's check this. God, I'm so disorientated. We'll make a band-aid. The hockey does way less damage, so we're gonna go in baseball style. I'm gonna bash somebody's head open in my baseball bat. Oh, that's a lot of zombies I don't want to deal with. Alright, so this might be a productive video. Beater. Damn fast butters. Holy. That was a little scary, to be honest. Alright, so we might end the video off when we get back to the house, because we will... What do I need a lock for? Lock and key still works on nearly impossible to turn. Yeah, we're just gonna leave them here. I need the more valuable things, like bolts. That's what I'm trying to leave here with, is bolts, so I could at least finish the gun thing. Or I think we have enough. I'm not gonna lie, I think we have enough. Come on. Just had to make sure it's up to health. You never want to go anywhere that's not safe. Well, bam! Greatest last day on Earth player ever. Alright, so I think we got what we could. Let's go back to the base and win this episode off. Today's been a great, productive day today. I didn't do much in game, which is good. Hopefully you guys had a great day today. I did, for sure. You know, school's great. Everything's great. Vehicle parts. Soldiers were leaving in a hurry. There still is a lot of parts, gasolines, and others to... Yeah, no dip. See, in a day, everything will update and go back to the way it was. So you have to do all that stuff again, but you get more loot out of it. Peach, please. That's clever. It's supposed to say bitch, please. But it's peach, please. Alright. Doggy. Woof woof. Good boy. Alright. So, hang on, do I need to go? No. Big boy needs... Oh, I gotta go pee. This guy's got a small bladder. Like me. Alright, so let's get back. Let's put all this away. We'll go feed the dog in a minute. It's not bolts I need. What? I need rubber parts and I... Oh my god. I hate myself. This is why I need a personal trainer. That's right. Yeah, I don't think I have a... Oh yes, we do. We have a buzzsaw in here. Buzzsaw is a really good weapon. Alright, so we're gonna go feed the dogs, and we'll feed the dog, not the dogs, just one. Because the other one's out of his pen, so it doesn't really need fed. That's 10 hours. How long does it take it to grow? Okay, so we might have to come back. Alright guys, so I'll leave you here today. Tomorrow, or maybe Wednesday, will be another upload for Last Day on Earth. If you want PUBG or something, just type it in the comments below. Fortnite maybe. If so, today's been a productive day, so don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and I'll see all you guys later.